Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I would like to share with you unboxing and first look of a new knife that I got generously sent in by one of my dealers that I'm doing business here in Slovakia. So for those of you who don't know, I usually put sometimes links down below in the description so you can go check it out, but as always I strongly suggest go to your favorite local distributor if you have one. If not, you can definitely also use my links there. There are no string attached. I'm not getting any kickbacks, any discount codes, anything like that. And one of my resellers appreciated my work and contacted me that look, we like your work, and if you like pick up one knife, we will send it to you and you can make a video and mention us. So basically this is a sponsored video, but I will anyway give you my honest opinion, because since I am not on any kind of obligation to on a paid contract or something like that, so you are getting my honest opinions. So the distributor or the reseller is Knifestock. They are sending out around the European Union. So if you live in one of these countries here, you can check them out. And basically I always try to keep my knife spendings as best as possible as far as my budget goes. So I look around, and Knifestock has one of the best pricings in Europe. So if you also would like to save some money, then check their offering. And this video will be about the Hactare. So this is another CJRB medium sized EDC offering, in the same vein as the Pyrite was, and it will be another one in the series of the, let's say, special or limited series that they are making with the OD green Micarta and the new AR-SFII blade steel. So inside the box we have a nice pouch, baggie, a nice quality microfiber cloth, and the knife itself. So the model number is J1935A-ODG. And let me give you specifications really quickly. Okay, so the over length is 18.6 centimeters, 7.3 inches. The blade length is 8 centimeters or 3.1 inch. Blade width is 2.7 centimeters or 1 inch. Blade thickness 2.6 millimeters, 0.1 inch. Hand length 10.7 centimeters or 4.2 inches with a thickness of 1.1 centimeters, 0.45 inches. As far as the blade goes, we have the AR-SFII, which is comparable to the CTS BG42 or B75P, and it is a proprietary spray form version of the, or should I say, a continuation of the ARP9. They have been specifically designed or developed for CJRB. As far as the finishing goes, we have what they call sand polish, and it is since this is an old version, it has a Wharncliffe profile blade. Really nice sharp edge. Let's test out the sharpness right now. So super sharp as expected from CJRB. As far as the handle goes, we have a natural canvas style OD green Micarta, which is sandblasted of course, and will probably darken up while in use, and it will saturate with the oils from your fingers, so it will get much darker than this shade right now. As far as the liners go, we have nested liners with heavy skeletonization implied, so a really nice weight reduction right there. The locking method is the Benchmade axis lock or crossbar lock. now available for everybody to use since the patent expired. So it is really super sturdy and nicely ambidextrous. As far as the opening method, we have these two dual thumb studs, which really nicely grab your meat of your finger, and they super quick deployment. As far as the pivot assembly goes, it rides on ceramic caged ball bearing washers. As far as the pocket clip goes, we have a folded deep carry stainless steel with medium to soft stiffness, and it is also ambidextrous, so my left-handed carry users rejoice because this is a truly one-to-one 100% ambidextrous design. As far as the nice, slim and sleek, almost straight profiled handle goes, this is how it looks like in my XL size hand. So if you have a smaller size, you will definitely have a full purchase. I'm almost out of the real estate on the handle scales, but it is what it is. So I would definitely wish it was maybe 1 centimeter longer. Anyway, as far as the billboarding goes, nothing major. We have CJRB on one side, and then we have the model number and blade steel on the other side. Nice functional jimping on the top, always appreciated. And you have also a form finger choil, which functions as a sharpening choil, of course. So this is a really truly nicely designed EDC knife, because you will happens to be ease of sharpening definitely was in mind when they designed it. Also this flat portion here, so you can clamp it in your constant angle sharpening systems. I have also mentioned we have a really nice generous lanyard hole for all your other needs, and the open construction definitely helps with the EDC intentions or format for this knife, because if any kind of dirt or grime would be accumulated inside, you can just blow it out and clean it out without any problems. As far as the weight goes, we have 72 grams or 5.5 ounces. So now let me show you the pocket profile really quickly. So this is how much it will be sticking out in your pocket. And as you can see, nice true deep carry, and easy. It goes easy out, easy in. As far as the axis lock goes, it is super sturdy and will not fail on you, so you can definitely rely on this knife here. Okay, so as far as variants go, you can choose from either G10 or this Micarta version. There is also one CF and one Ultem variant, and the G10 versions has 8 different color designs with color blades, but only, as far as I could see, with the traditional drop point configuration. And the carbon fiber has the Ultem. The carbon fiber version has the old, so Wharncliffe designed blade, and the Micarta has the Wharncliffe blade. The Ultim is with standard drop point configuration. So now let's talk a little bit about the pricing. So the price, these are priced at $120. Usually you will get a discount. I leave that to your favorite dealer. Knifestock has them right now at $84.19. So let me just check it out. So in Knifestock, the price is $84.19. So definitely really good pricing on this one. You are definitely saving a lot of money. Okay, now as far as the part when I compare with the different designs, so let's bring out the Pyrite Bowie, which was previously shown on my channel in this same series, and also this is the Prado, a Ray Laconico design. As you can see, the pyrite buoy is a little bit longer, maybe just a couple of maybe 5 to 6 millimeters. Definitely not that major difference. Let me also put in the Knife Center exclusive Pyrite Old. And as you can see, all these designs are with the button lock. Currently only the Hactare is in the crossbar lock configuration. But I will say that probably in the future there will be different variations produced, and the axis lock will be introduced also with Micarta maybe in the future. Okay, let's continue with the comparison. So here is the comparison between the probably one of the most used EDC knives in the community. That is the for EDC purposes. That is obviously the Benchmade bug out. So this is how it looks like compared with the bug out. I have here so Spyderco Paramilitary 3. Let's continue with the CVV Elementum. And the QSP Penguin. Lost-Teeth Cutlery Raccoon. Knife's Lander 2. CRKT Padawan, CJRB Feldspar Mini, Kaiser Bergleiter 2, Vitrified Fish 949X, the Small Warrior, let's continue with the small Reptilian from Benchmade, Buckspring Pro, CVV Rustic Gent, see this is the red model 2, Buck Sovereign, Spyderco Delica, here's the Sharpie, and let's close it out with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so if you're looking for a really nice medium-sized EDC knife with a beautiful Wharncliffe blade configuration and of course completely ambidextrous functions, then the Hactare is probably my second favorite in this series. First obviously has to be the Pyrite, because I like the overall format and that is a little bit larger, but the Hactare is also, in my opinion, a beautiful designed knife. And of course I would like to thank Knifestock for sending this one in, and hopefully if you like my work and we can collaborate also in the future. That will also benefit my viewers here, and we will see when the collaboration will proceed or not. So with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. All the descriptions and also the links will be also posted down below, so check it out. And with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching, and wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.